Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, if you want to retouch a face. In this image you can see that there are numerous pimples on the face. To remove them, if we use the spot healing brush tool and start clicking on the spots one by one, and we will have to click on each spot, and these will be removed from the face. And if there are numerous spots on the face, so we will waste a lot of time clicking on these spots. Why don't we do something like that? That all these spots can be removed from the face in one click. And we can heal the skin. And can also remove the extra shine on the face. Let's start the video and see which method it is. Photoshop has plugins, filters, or presets. Those that are not Photoshop's own must be installed. One such plugin is Retouch4Me Heal. It's in the Retouch4Me bundle. First, we will use this plugin, Retouch4Me Heal. So, we'll create a duplicate layer of this image by pressing Ctrl+J. And we will name this layer Heal. After that we will use this plugin, which is Retouch4Me Heal. Let's open this plugin here. This plugin also has an auto option. It performs automatic human scale detection. Or, there's a sensitivity slider at the top. If we click and hold on the slider, so we will start seeing all the spots on our face. Now, if we reduce the sensitivity level, that is, if we set it to 0 completely, and then set the sensitivity level back to 100. So, we'll start seeing all these spots. Now, we can also click on Apply here. But, we will check the Make Mask. After that we will click on Apply. Now, you can see here that these are the spots, which we had to remove with the Spot Healing Brush tool. And these spots are too many. Now, if you look at the image, it is an image with spots. And this is after all the spots have been removed from the face. We named this layer Heal. Now, you can see the extra shine on the face. That means it's extra light on the face. Now this Retouch4Me bundle has a plugin called Mattifier. We'll talk about the rest of the plugins later. But today I will only talk about two plugins, which is Retouch4Me Heal and Retouch4Me Mattifier. Here, I now create a duplicate layer. And we call this layer Mattifier. And now we use Retouch4Me Mattifier. And so this plugin opened here. Here, it will progress on the image. Above you can see that its blend amount is 50. We don't see any significant difference in the amount of 50. We set its blend amount to 100. And we'll check out the Make Mask here. And click on Apply. Now, we will be able to see extra shine here. So, these three spots are of extra shine. If I disable this layer, the extra shine is visible. Extra shine that is on the nose and lips. And this extra shine is also on the top of the nose. So, the extra shine has been removed from these three places. This is the Retouch4Me Mattifier plugin. Removed extra shine from the Mattifier. And, with the help of the Heal, all the pimples or spots on the face have been removed. But, we should also give some credit to Photoshop. I create a duplicate layer of this image by pressing Ctrl+J. And, I call this duplicate layer Neural Filters. Now, we'll do some magic with Photoshop's Neural Filters. As the Neural Filters open, you will see the option, Makeup Transfer. We will enable it here. And, with Select an Image we will select an image. I select an image from my computer, as this is an image with good makeup. As soon as this image is opened, its makeup will be transferred to our original image. We will keep the output as the current layer and click OK. So, this makeup of the neural filter has been applied to the current layer. If you think this is too much makeup on eyes, so create a mask on this layer. Now pick the brush tool. And this brush should be soft round. The opacity of this brush should be set to 100%, flow to 100%, and smoothing to 10%. Make sure your foreground and background colors are default. Now we mask it out with on the eyes and eyebrows. After mask out, we will go to the mask properties. Go to Window, and click on Properties at the bottom. We have to do a little undo in the mask properties. Its density is currently 100%. If we do 0%, everything we had masked out will come back. Now, we will set the amount of density. If we set the density amount here to 50%. Now you can see the difference between before and after. We shouldn't rely entirely on plugins. We should also give credit to Photoshop for image retouching. That is, the makeup on the image, or the makeup that we have transferred. Instead of creating layers to give a blushing effect, and give the effect of lipstick on the lips, and we do eyes makeup. Oh, we used an image as a reference, and we transferred her makeup onto this image. Now, you can see this image. Now, you see here that this is the original image. Removed all the pimples on her face with the help of Retouch4Me Heal. Or, remove facial spots. Or, you can also call them blemishes. We removed the extra shine from the face with the help of Mattifier. And, also applied makeup to the face with the help of Neural Filters. Regarding these two plugins, and regarding Neural Filters, this way, skin adjustment and color grading of the image. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.